Hey guys, it's Rad. This is my first ever video, and today we'll be playing Doodle Jump. So let's go. That's 5 monsters. I don't remember. I haven't played this in a while. Are those like achievements? I'm not the best at this. Oh, I missed it. Yay. Blink. Blink. Oh. Boink. Boink. And I missed it. Up and over. Oh, really? See, I'm good at this. Let's try this one more time. Oh, jump 10 springs. That'll be easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's already over then. Trampoline! And off we go into space. Oh well. Oh my. In the comments, can you please suggest of what other games I can play? Because I'm not completely sure. I can play Minecraft Pocket Edition, but I'm not the best at it at all. And I may record some videos with Anthony. He has his own channel too, the Cat Gamer. And that didn't count, did it? Let's kill him, and we continue our flight to destiny. Yole. Ole. And off we go into space as we kill the monster. Go up here. I don't get why the monsters are so loud. I'm gonna try getting the achievement. I didn't get the achievement. Yay. Attempt 3. Oh, last 5 monsters. That'll be easy. Boink. And up we go. Where's all the monsters that I want to kill? Kill them all. I almost missed that like that. Oh. And off we go for an adventure. I missed it. Okay, that was really bad. Attempt 4. Here we go. Boink. I need to blast. How much more? I'm pretty sure I have to blast one more monster. I get this chapel. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. As we continue. Yeah. Boink. And here we go. Monster, I'm coming for you. I killed him. Yep, it's over. Woo! Oh, that was close. Oh, that was really, really close. Lost him, he was too big. And off we go. To run him up. I couldn't make it. Ew, I'm gonna try to jump on this guy's head. If I could go like this, like this, like this. Nailed it. Here we go. Oh, that was close. Really? Really? Whoa. I'm not sure how long I can record, but I can record videos. Yay. I've been waiting for a while to do this. I just didn't completely know how because I didn't have a really good screen recorder, but I got one that kind of works now. So, yeah. As I fly up into the air. Ew, I've never seen these before. Okay, these seem good. Boing. Boing. Okay, it goes really high. Boing. Oh. I missed that. Reading what that was saying down there. Ugh. And off we go. Yeah, we're gonna stomp on, I think, 3 more monsters, and then maybe I'll end the episode. Let's go. Off we go. On, I missed the spring. Let's get this spring. Boink. Look at that. I missed it. Okay, here we go. How hot? Ew. Stompy, stompy. I need to stomp on you. Thank you. And off we go. Ooh, another person we could stomp on. How fun is this? I missed him. Woo! Just what I wanted to do. Definitely what I wanted to do. As we continue to slowly go out of the paper, I guess, whatever the heck this is. Ooh, jetpack. Here we go. And I missed. There we go. Here we go. Yep. Oh, that was close. That was really close. What do the white ones do again? Oh, of course, they just black hole. Black hole. No. Restarting. I don't like black holes. No, I do not like black holes. Continuing. Here we go. Oh no, I missed it. Woohoo. As we continue. Way up into space. Ooh, I'm gonna stomp on his face. I'm gonna stomp on you. I missed. Are you kidding me? What the heck? Why couldn't I stomp on his face? That's unfair. That's unfair. I'm really bad at this. As you just seen, I'm just gonna randomly shoot everything. Yeah. As we continue up into space. Well, paper space, since there's black holes. Okay, how far are we gonna go? We're gonna go all the way. Oh, I wanted to stomp on that dude. Oh, maybe I could stomp on this dude. So I'm not gonna take you. Stop changing my mind. Really? That was really bad. Over here, over here, over here, up and over. Boing. 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 As we fly away. Oh, I missed it. Really? Really? Whoa. So good at this. How much more monsters? I think it's 1 more, honestly, or maybe 2. I think it's actually 2 now. I wanna jump on monsters' faces. Ooh, maybe this guy will let me jump on his face. Oh, no, 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 no. Jump on your face. Woohoo! I'm actually really surprised I killed him. Ooh, this guy seems to be even easier to kill. And off we go, and we're done. Okay, I'm gonna end the episode when I die. Let's see how high I could get. Currently, I failed by look at my score. Ooh, let's spin it. What we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Oh, I have to click stop. Let's start now. Yeah. Ooh. I'm not sure if that's good. Cool. So, yep. That's my doodle jump video, and I hope I'll see you guys next time. Bye.